And now, a short witch's tale from Coven Cloud. Meet Luna, a budding sorceress who is enchanted by witchcraft. Unfortunately for Luna, no one knows she's a pagan. Luna would love to fulfill her passion for witchcraft, but doesn't have a clue where to start. One day, while surfing the web on her digital broomstick, Luna stumbles upon a Kickstarter for a magical new social media platform anointed Coven Cloud. After exploring the prototype, little Luna decides to give it a shot. Over the next few weeks, Luna begins to make connections with other pagans. Our Luna is learning more than ever about witchcraft. She's finding deities and getting paired with experienced witches who gladly take her under their wing. Luna finally joins a coven, and guess what? They're close by. Luna is now attending meetups in the woods where she and her coven practice their craft together. By doing energy work, she attracts good friends, feels content with herself, and is confident in her power and spirituality. Luna is happy. Go, Luna! Of course, this tale remains a piece of fiction, unless you donate through our Kickstarter page. Let's manifest Luna's happiness together.